Up here in Wisconsin, the air is getting crisp and the leaves are starting to fall. That means it's getting close to the end of the year. And as a business person, you have to start thinking about equipment write-offs, specifically Section 179 and the end of the year deadline. In the past, you would need to write off equipment over several years. But with Section 179, you can write off the entire purchase of qualifying equipment in the current tax year. But you have to make sure the equipment is delivered and installed before December 31st. Of course, you need to check with your tax professional to see if all this applies to you, as there are requirements. On top of that, our financing partner, Geneva Capital, has an end of the year promotion where if you finance or lease through them before December 31st, they'll defer payments for 90 days. That gives you a buffer zone where you can get production started and money rolling in before you have to make a payment. Make sure you talk to your tax professional and then check out the links to Geneva Capital to start the approval process. If you have any questions, the folks at Geneva will be happy to answer them. Here's to your future success and happy machining.